Good day to you, ma'am. This is Christine Daciado from Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. So for the first question, in what ways are our cognitive processes like the functioning of a computer? Our cognitive processes are like how a computer works because both receive, process, store, and use information. The brain works like a CPU that analyzes and understands the data. Our senses acts like an input device that gather information from the world around us. And our memory serves as a storage for everything that we learn and experience. The way we respond or make decisions is like a computer's output, showing the result of our thinking. For the second question, in what ways do our cognitive processes differ from the functioning of a computer? Our minds are very different from computers. Unlike machines, we can feel emotions, make choices, and adapt to change. Computers simply follow the instructions given to them, but humans, they can think creatively, learn from mistakes, and use intuition. Our thoughts are also shaped by our feelings, beliefs, and relationships, which make each person's way of thinking unique. And final question, can a computer perform all our cognitive processes? For me, a computer can do everything that our mind can. It might remember information or solve problems quickly, but it doesn't truly understand or feel anything. Computers rely on what people program into them, while humans can imagine, care, and make moral decisions. That's why, no matter how advanced technology becomes, it can never replace the depth, emotion, and creativity of the human mind. Thank you.